Good morning, guys. I just woke up and, well, actually I kind of woke up like, what time? I don't even have my watch on. Hi, okay, it's 10:13 and I woke up about like 8:30 and I sat in bed until 9:30 and then I got up and I took a shower and washed my self-tan off because I sleep with my self-tan on so it develops like darker and longer and it looks a little bit better in the morning, and then like I wash it off, I rinse it off, and then I'm like left with like the most beautiful color ever. So yeah, I did that. I'm about to brush my teeth and then I will take you guys through my day. What I'm doing, I am going to get a haircut and then I'm going to an event tonight. So I'll show you like my outfit and all that stuff and like run my errands with me. So yeah, if you're interested, then keep watching. Make sure you get your tongue. Okay, now time for some skincare. Okay, I don't really wash my face in the morning. I use like a micellar water. I either use the Purity one or the Simple one. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Light Full Sunscreen. I use this every morning. I use like 2 pumps at the most, 1 at the least. I'm also going to go ahead and moisturize with my Ulla Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I'm going to use, this is my eye cream. This is the Ulla Banana Bright Eye Cream. Okay, so like I was saying, I do have a hair appointment in a couple hours. Actually, yeah, like in a couple hours, like an hour and a half or whatever. So I have to package up some Poshmark stuff that I have been selling to ship out today. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, eat a little breakfast, and attempt to clean my room a little bit. Okay, but like honestly, I am so tan right now. And this is also the OOTD of my event tonight. This romper is from Peach Love, California, but I got it at the Boutique Silver Gallery, and I'm gonna wear these bed stew little, what do you even call these? Sandals, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it with that, and then I have like the perfect clutch to go with it that like matches the color of the yellow, to like have it all flow. And it's so cute because it has like a little tie right here. I don't know, this outfit's just so cute for the event and just summer. I love this outfit, so yeah. Hi, Choco, what are you doing? Oh, you giving kisses? You give kisses to the camera. Okay, so basically I have to take each like shipment label, whoops, probably shouldn't be showing the address, and like tape it on here. But yeah, so like they're all like just sitting out right here, and I gotta take them to the post office today. Go on, go! Come on, let's go get brother. Come on. Choco, we go brother. Brother? Buddy, you in here? Hi. Good morning. You say hi to the camera? You say hi to the camera? Hi. Hello, ugly. You're so cute, but you're so ugly at the same time. Hello. The Goria Gang hasn't seen you in a while. No, did you just sneeze in the Goria Gang's face? I think breakfast is gonna be like scrambled eggs. Okay, I know this probably looks gross, but this is like, I have like 2 scrambled eggs with goat cheese because I'll put goat cheese on anything and everything I can. Raspberry jelly and a piece of toast. My new hair.
I like it.
Okay, you guys, so as you saw in the clip before this, I got my hair done. And I don't know if you guys can tell a difference really. It definitely, she like thinned it out on the bottom and like made more layers, so like it's not as heavy because my hair is like heavy. So it's not as much anymore, and it used to be down to like here. So it was a good like 4 or 5 inches, and I love it. And so Tuesday of next week, which I'm vlogging as well, I'm doing like color, and I'll kind of show you the color that I'm gonna do. This or this, because my hair right now is like the root color of her root, and then so I think I'm gonna do some blonde for like the summer, and then like in the fall and stuff I'll go back to like this. So now I'm gonna go probably get food and go home, ship all these Poshmark boxes because there's so many in my car right now, and then yeah, I'll just kind of catch you guys up with my day. So I'm currently walking into Silver Gallery at Friendly Center because my mom is here and I want to show her my hair. And I think I'm gonna get pita delight for lunch. Okay, I got a Camille salad with chicken for lunch.
I got the Pam one.
The Pam one, what's that?
The Pam salad.
What's in it? That sounds weird. I just get it with chicken because it's like a basic salad, and then like it comes with hot bread or whatever. So yeah, love it.
Up in the morning, miss you back.
Like I moved your body. I like it, don't matter how it. Cause I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. Sorry, I ain't call you back. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? You want it, is she all you wanted? I wanna suck down in the club. I want to know. In the middle.
What are you doing? Hello. What are you doing? Are you just chilling? Are you just taking a nap? Sissy wants to take a nap too. Okay, obviously you guys can see that I'm home. I'm going to edit a little bit of this vlog, go ahead and start editing it. And if I have time, I'll take a nap, and then I gotta start getting ready for the event tonight. So, fun. Hi guys, I'm alive. I literally was editing and I just like fell asleep, and I'm so glad I took my makeup off before that, but I'm running late, so I should probably go get ready. And yeah, I'm sorry for the way I look right now. I'm gonna play music while I get ready, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so I will see you guys once I get ready. I'll show you guys like my outfit, and then I'll probably end the vlog there. I may vlog a little with my phone. I'm not taking my camera, I don't think I'm allowed to, and then insert it in here, but if not, then obviously you won't see it. But yeah, alright, I'll see y'all soon. I'm gonna go get ready. Okay, you guys, so here's the OOTD. My earrings are from the Silver Gallery at Friendly Center, and they're earrings to where like I can't normally wear hoops because they're like super heavy, but these you can wear. I'll link them down below. Actually, you'll have to call Silver Gallery if you want to order them if you don't live in like Greensboro or whatever. And same with this. I'll leave their number down below so you guys can call them and you can order this. And I'm just wearing a Free People little bralette under it in case it like opens or whatever. My shoes, I have had these for years. I don't even know where these are from, but like this is my outfit, you guys. I love it. And I love how my hair is like much shorter. So cute. I love it. I love it. So, all right, you guys, I'm going to go to the event and I will see you guys later on and close out this vlog. Please excuse me. I'm literally in bed with my chai tea latte I got from Starbucks. But that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun at the event tonight, and I got to meet some really cool NFL football players, which was pretty cool. So yeah, I didn't get to vlog it. It wasn't really like the place I would take my camera out and vlog. Just like wasn't that kind of setting. But yeah, I'll try to insert some photos somewhere on the screen and in my thumbnail or whatever. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe down below so you can be part of the Goria gang. I would love to have you join. And if you like these vlogs, let me know down below like what other vlogs and what other things you want me to do, and I will totally do them. I really like vlogs. I feel like they bring out like more of a real side of me. Not that I'm being fake in my other videos. It's just like I feel like I can really be myself, because when I get in front of a big camera, I feel like I have to be like super professional, because that's just who I am. Like, I love being professional, but there's also this really crazy side of me that I really want you guys to see, because I feel like it can brighten people's days and stuff like that. So I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this video and try to get it up for you guys in a couple of days, or even tomorrow, which is Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check my description bar for my romper, and if you want it, you can call the number down below and order, because it's not online. And my earrings are also available to call and order, and so is my little clutch, which is my hobo, and it matches my outfit perfectly. That's why I got it for it. And this is the hobo little wallet, and it's nice and spacious and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys want my outfit, don't forget to check the description bar down below, and you will be able to call that number and purchase it, and they'll send it right your way. And yes, that's it for this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.